How to communicate effectively? You need to speak in a very confident manner. And the use of language, of course, it matters most towards your manner of communicating, which is effective speaking. Now, the use of weak language. Why do we say that weak language is bad language in communication? Because weak language, it strains your mode of communication. Now, I'll give you an example. When you say the la, the ums, the ahs, the mas or the mas that end up at every sentence that you speak, you may find that this is one way of not producing good effective communication. If you keep saying okay, fine, fair enough, and so on, it is not something that provides you the effective way of communication. Now, this is where effective communication is a failure, when your audience do not feel the sense of confidence in getting what you are trying to give it to them. Now, you maybe have the noble intention of speaking to them in a very effective way, which you feel it is effective, but you may not realize that you may at times be adding the ahs, the ums, the las at every sentence. Now, in this regard, you may find that communicating effectively requires proper punctuation, proper timing, and the most importantly, confidence in delivering your goods. In this case, you must know your facts first. Now, as I speak right now, it's only a matter of minutes after I had rehearsed or I had actually thought of what I need to say. Now, in this regard, I would say that knowing the facts first before speaking is much more essential than merely trying to voice out the point. In this case, you might just come up with an answer or a statement, and that is only a manner of just giving out the thought from the mind, but not something that is done confidently. So you may pause, you may even say an ah, an la, or an and this may not go down well with the audience if they are unfamiliar with your way of communication. In this case, weak language supersedes your own noble intention of communicating an idea. In this regard, you are supposed to do a presentation. When it comes to do a presentation, you're going to present in front of an audience of, say, 50 people, or even for the matter of just plainly 20 people. In this regard, you know that you need to know your topic well, and you need to have the proper eye contact, and you need to speak to the audience in a very confident manner. If you find that you stammer or you stagger, you are not able to speak in a way that is not going to drive the sense of confidence, you are going to end up being a failure, which is way your language or the tone of language is not going to sound good enough. So the weak language will appear at every sentence that you are able to bring about to the audience. Thank you.